Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a crafty haul from DRK Crafts. They are a UK based craft website and I'm on their design team for this year. So for August we were able to choose some products from their website completely of our choice, which was amazing. And I've just got my box of goodies, so I'm really excited to share them, and then I'm going to be getting crafting with them because I'm so excited to try these out. So I picked things for 3 projects. So my first project, I'm going to use these felt sheets. I think I've seen it on Instagram maybe. Someone had like sewn some felt sheets together and made like a little bag, and I thought it was such a cute idea because felt isn't something that I've really ever used in my crafting, so I thought that I might have a go at making like a little bag or an envelope and stitching it together. I thought that would be really cute. Or I also thought I might have a go at cutting them with my dies to see. I think that they should cut, and I could add some felt detail on my die embellishments, so I thought that'd be really nice. And they did these in different colours, and I picked the blue set for something a bit different. I do always craft with pink. So it's got black and then it's got 4 other shades. Shall I take them out? I haven't opened them yet. Let's have a little look. So it's from the brand Dovecraft. So this is the first colour. And you get 2 sheets of each. It's really nice and thick as well. And then this colour, I think this one's my favourite. A really nice light one. And then this one. And then also, I'm not sure if it's black or maybe it's navy blue, because that would make more sense. I think it is navy blue, but just very, very dark. So I'm really excited on making those. I'll maybe do a process video or a project share to show you what I made with them. And then for my second project, at the minute I am making a little Christmas gingerbread house. It's like cut out in wood. I'm decorating it at the minute, so I needed some wood glue so I could stick all the pieces together. I've never used wood glue before, so I'm excited to try this one out. It's this is the brand, and I'm really excited to try it out, so I'll see what it says I need to do with it. It says that you need to clamp it together or press it together for 30 minutes and then let it dry for 24 hours. And it's ideal for repairing furniture, frames and other wooden items. And it works on soft and hard wood. So I'm really excited. Hopefully that will work perfectly. I've just got some details to stick onto it. And it has got quite a fine nozzle as well. So that's going to be perfect. And then also to go on my gingerbread house, I saw this glitter snow. And I'm so excited about this. This is going to be absolutely perfect to add on like the roof and onto the fence of my little gingerbread house. And it says that you can apply it using a sponge, I try to say sponge and brush at the same time. A brush, a sponge or a palette knife or a craft tool. And again, you need to let that one dry for 24 hours. So I'm really excited to use that. I think I'm going to test it out on something else first, just to see how it works before I go and apply it all to my project. But it looks like it's a really like stiff liquid. So what I'm thinking is I can like sort of like make it look like shaped, as if like, you know how snow gets like all bumpy. So I'm really, really excited to use this. So excited. If anyone's used this before, let me know, because I'm really interested in know like what other things it would work on other than like a wood project. Like I don't know if it would work on cards or if it would just sort of seep through the paper or the cards. I'm not sure. I should experiment with it. I'm really excited to try it out. And then for a third project, I've always really wanted to try like a heat embossing tool and doing some embossing with the embossing powders. So I decided to get these products. So I got the embossing tool, and this is also by Dovecraft. And these are the details of how you can use it. And it is in pink, so that's a huge bonus because I love the colour pink. And it also gives some more instructions on the side, and it tells you how to use it as well, so that's really good. Super excited to give this a go. So to go with that, I needed some ink. So I got this one by Dovecraft. And I do have quite a few stamps, but I don't really use them that much. But I think if I could make them like sparkly gold, I think I would definitely use them way more. So I'm really hoping that I can use my dies, my stamps more using these. So for the embossing powders, I chose a white one and a gold one. I just love the colour gold in crafting, and I thought white was going to be perfect for like around Christmas time. So I'm going to add some snowy details. And then I also got a pen set. So one is like a pen tip, and then the other one is a brush tip. And I believe you can just like write and draw, and then you can put the powder on to make powder stick. That's really nice. And then I got this embossing folder. I thought I could have a go with the embossing tools on here, and it's a Spellbinders floral background. It's quite a small one. I'm not sure if it says the size on it, but I would say it's around 4x6. It's like a postcard size. So I'm really looking forward to trying this, and I'll definitely do a video showing some things which I've made, and also showing how I use these, like a little process video of how they're made. This is an embossing folder. It's really pretty. So that's everything which I've got for my little haul today. And like I say, keep an eye out on my channel because I'll definitely be doing some project shares of how I use these products. So if you're interested in finding out, come back and see those videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.